In traditional organizations, decisions are typically made through hierarchical structures where authority flows from top leadership to members. Processes such as approvals, funding, and policy changes often depend on centralized management. While this structure provides order, it can limit transparency and reduce the level of participation from members. DAOs introduced a different model by distributing decision-making powers across participants in the network. These organizations are built on blockchain networks such as Ethereum, where smart contract defines the rules and operations of the system. At the core of a DAO are governance tokens. Governance tokens represent voting power within the organizations. Individuals who hold this token can participate in decision-making by voting on proposals. The process typically begins with a proposal. Any eligible member can submit a proposal outlining a suggested action, such as funding a project, making changes to the system, or introducing new initiatives. Once a proposal is submitted, it is made available to the community for review. Members then evaluate the proposal and cast their votes based on their perspective and the number of governance tokens they hold. Each vote is recorded on the blockchain, ensuring transparency and accountability. If the proposal meets the predefined conditions, such as reaching a required number of votes or achieving a majority, the smart contract automatically executes the decision. For example, imagine DAO managing a community fund. A member submits a proposal to use part of the fund to support a new project. Members review the proposal and vote. If the proposal is approved, the smart contract releases the fund according to the agreed terms without requiring approval from a centralized authority. These automated processes ensure that decisions are implemented exactly as defined, reducing the need for manual intervention. Understanding how DAOs works help individuals see how centralized governance systems operate and how communities can coordinate effectively without centralized leadership. Your reflection question for this session is simple. What advantages might a voting-based system offer compared to traditional decision-making structure? If this video helps you understand how DAOs works, kindly like and subscribe. This content is for educational purposes only and do not include financial, investment, or legal advice. Crypto investment carries significant risks. Always do your own research and consult a qualified advisor before making decisions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.